Assalamu alaikum. Now coming towards exercise 7.3, question number 2. We were discussing about the inequalities. Like inequalities are the symbols that are used to compare the values, and these symbols are less than, greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. Secondly, in question number 1, we were using one inequality sign and solving the question, but in question number 2 there are two inequalities in the statement and you have to solve it. For solving the double inequality sign in the statement, you have to split the terms, and by splitting those terms you have to solve the question. Coming towards the question is that minus 4 less than 3x plus 5 less than 8. There are two inequalities in an equation, so for solving this inequality, split the terms, separate the two inequalities. For separating, first pair will be minus 4 less than 3x plus 5, and second pair will be 3x plus 5 less than 8. Now, first of all, here plus 5 is adding. When it will move towards the other side, it will be subtracted. So adding minus 5 on both sides, the equation will become minus 4 minus 5 less than 3x plus 5 minus 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So the remaining term will be minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9 less than 3x. Then dividing 3 on both sides, you will get minus 9 by 3 less than x. 3 into 3 is 9. So the equation will become minus 3 less than x. Coming towards the other pair, that is 3x plus 5 less than 8. So adding minus 5 on both sides, so equation will become 3x plus 5 minus 5 less than 8 minus 5. 5 will be cancelled with 5, so the remaining term will be 3x less than 8 minus 5 is 3. So dividing 3 on both sides, you will get x is less than 3 by 3, and it will give you the answer x is less than 1. Now you are having two equations, minus 3 less than x and x less than 1. You can see that x is common in between them. Whatever the thing is common, you have to write it only one time and you have to make a combined equation. So the equation will become, solution set will be minus 3 less than x, x is common, then less than 1. So by separating the inequalities, in the end you have to combine the solution set and you will get an answer. We have combined the equation minus 3 less than x less than 1. So this is your solution set. Coming towards the next question is minus 5 less than equal to 4 minus 3x over 2 less than 1. Same rule we will use. We will separate the inequalities, make two pairs. First pair will be minus 5 less than equal to 4 minus 3x over 2. Second pair will be 4 minus 3x over 2 less than 1. Solving the first pair, multiply 2 on both sides, so the equation will become minus 5 multiplied by 2 less than equal to 4 minus 3x over 2 multiplied by 2. 2 will be cancelled with 2. So the equation will become minus 5 multiplied by 2 is minus 10 less than equal to 4 minus 3x. So here 4 is added. When it will move towards the other side, it will be subtracted. So we will write adding minus 4 on both sides. So minus 10 minus 4 less than equal to 4 minus 3x. 4 will be cancelled with 4. The equation will become minus 10 minus 4 is equal to minus 14 minus 3x. So minus 14 less than equal to minus 3x is the equation. So here, coming towards the next part, that is multiplying by 2 on both sides, the equation will become 4 minus 3x over 2 multiplied by 2 as less than 1 multiplied by 2. 2 is cancelled with 2. The remaining equation will be 4 minus 3x less than 2. Adding minus 4 on both sides, 4 minus 3x less than 2 minus 4. So 4 is cancelled with 4. The remaining equation is minus 3x less than 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now both equations we have to write minus 14x less than equal to minus 3x, and the second equation was minus 3x less than minus 2. So here now dividing it by minus 3, the signs will be changed, the inequality will be changed. So the equation will become 14 by 3 greater than equal to x. Because of negative sign, the sign of inequality will be changed. And here dividing by minus 3, again the change of sign, less than will be converted into greater than. So the equation will become x is greater than 2 by 3. Now combining these two equations to get the solution set, the equation will become 14 by 3 greater than equal to x greater than 2 by 3, because x is common, so we will write it only one time, or you can write it in the form like 2 by 3 less than x less than equal to 14 by 3. Both equations will be right. Question number 3 you have to solve yourself. Then coming towards the next question, that is question number 4. 3 greater than equal to 7 minus x over 2 greater than equal to 1. Separate the inequalities. First pair will be 3 greater than equal to 7 minus x over 2, and the second pair will be 7 minus x over 2 greater than equal to 1. So multiplying by 2 on both sides. Why we are multiplying here? To remove the denominator. So the equation will become 3 multiplied by 2 greater than equal to 7 minus x over 2 multiplied by 2. 2 will be cancelled with 2. Remaining equation will be 3 into 2 is 6, 7 minus x will remain same. So the equation will become 6 greater than equal to 7 minus x. Adding minus 7 on both sides, equation becomes 6 minus 7 greater than equal to 7 minus 7 minus x. 7 will be cancelled with 7. So here second pair, multiply 2 on both sides, so equation will become 7 minus x over 2 multiplied by 2 greater than equal to 1 multiplied by 2. 2 will be cancelled with 2. The remaining equation will be 7 minus x greater than equal to 2. Adding minus 7 on both sides, 7 minus 7 minus x greater than equal to 2 minus 7. 7 will be cancelled with 7. So the remaining two equations will be 6 minus 7 greater than equal to minus x, and the second equation is minus x greater than equal to 2 minus 7. So here first of all 6 minus 7 is minus 1 greater than equal to minus x. So dividing it with minus 1, change of sign will be there, inequality will be changed. So the equation will become 1 less than equal to x. Coming towards the second pair, 2 minus 7 is minus 5. So equation will become minus x greater than equal to minus 5. Now dividing it with minus 1. Why we are dividing it with minus 1? Because x has the coefficient 1. So that's why we are dividing it with minus 1. So change of sign will be there because of the negative number. So the equation will become x is less than equal to 5. So combining these two pair, the solution set will be 1 less than equal to x less than equal to 5. And fifth question you will solve yourself. Coming towards the next question, that is the sixth question, that minus 3 less than equal to x minus 4 over minus 5 less than 4. Same rule, double inequality is there, so separate the pairs. First pair will be minus 3 less than equal to x minus 4 over minus 5. Second pair will be x minus 4 over minus 5 less than 4. Here you can see that here in the denominator we are having a negative number, so multiplying by minus 5. The rule was that whenever we are going to multiply or divide the equation with a negative number, the inequality will be changed. So here we are multiplying it with minus 5, so the inequality will be changed and the equation will become minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 less than equal to is converted into greater than equal to x minus 4 over minus 5 multiplied by minus 5. Minus 5 will be cancelled with minus 5. The remaining term will be minus minus is plus, 3 multiplied by 5 is 15 greater than equal to x minus 4. Adding 4 on both sides, the equation will become 15 plus 4 greater than equal to x minus 4 plus 4. 4 will be cancelled with 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 is greater than equal to x. That is the answer of the first pair. Coming towards the second pair, multiplying minus 5 on both sides, the inequality will be changed. So here x minus 4 over minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 greater than 4 multiplied by minus 5. Minus 5 will be cancelled with minus 5. So the remaining term will be x minus 4 greater than minus 20. Adding 4 on both sides, x minus 4 plus 4 greater than minus 20 plus 4. So 4 will be cancelled with 4. So minus 20 plus 4 is minus 16. So combining these two terms, the answer will be, solution set will be 19 greater than equal to x greater than equal to minus 16, or you can write it like minus 16 less than x less than equal to 19. It's up to you how you want to write this equation, but it's compulsory to write solution set. Coming towards the last question, that is 8th question, 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1 less than 4x plus 17. Now split the pairs. The first pair will be 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. The second pair will be 2x plus 1 less than 4x plus 17. Solving the first pair, adding minus 2x on both sides. So 3x minus 2x minus 2 less than 2x minus 2x plus 1. 2x will be cancelled with 2x. Remaining term will be 3x minus 2x minus 2 less than 1. 3x and 2x are the like terms, so 3 minus 2 is x, minus 2 less than 1. Now adding 2 on both sides, x minus 2 plus 2 less than 1 plus 2. So minus 2 and 2 will be cancelled. The remaining equation will be x less than 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Coming towards the second pair, adding minus 4x on both sides, 2x minus 4x plus 1 less than 4x minus 4x plus 17. 4x will be cancelled with 4x. 2x minus 4x plus 1 less than 17 is the remaining equation. 2 minus 4 is minus 2x plus 1 less than 17. Adding minus 1 on both sides, the equation will become minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 less than 17 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. 17 minus 1 is 16. Now the first equation is x less than 3 and the second equation is minus 2x less than 16. Here the equation is having a negative sign, so dividing minus 2, change of sign will be there, inequality will be changed. So the equation will become x is greater than equal to minus 16 over 2. So the answer is x is greater than minus 8. So for writing the solution set, we will write the negative number first. Minus 8 is less than x less than 3. So this is the equation. You will combine this equation and you will get an answer.